Hello, David here, and the project for today is rebuilding my car tent. If you follow my channel, you know that a couple of weeks ago I captured some security camera footage from a windstorm that blew the tent over, and it blew it over the fence, and it was hanging over the neighbor's fence. And I think what happened was I left the door open, and I think the wind got under the tent to blow it over. I don't have the tent completed because there are 4 sides that go around it, but before I can do that I have to get to the top and patch the top. I pressure washed it because it was filthy, and I noticed that there were some holes in the roof, so I want to patch those. This is the second time that the tent blew over. The first time was another windstorm. It scratched the car I had at the time. In this case, the tent blew straight up and over, and it missed scratching the car. But I have these pier blocks that I used to anchor the tent down after that first windstorm. But stupidly, I used these, it's not even rope, it's just a heavy string that the manufacturer sent along with the tent. And you can see where the string broke. This time around I'm not fooling around. I got some 3/4 inch rope, 75 feet, from Home Depot, and it's got a working load of 244 pounds. So that ought to hold. For the plastic repair, I've got some clear repair tape from a company called Dulepa, Communist China. Supposedly it's waterproof. And I like the fact that it's clear because I like having a white tent. It lets a lot of light in when I'm inside the tent. So there's one rip I'm going to patch. Now there's no adhesive in the world that's going to stick to a dirty surface, so I'm going to wet a rag with alcohol, prep the surface. I'm going to climb up on the ladder and do it from the outside. Burnish it down really good. Can reach to the underside and push from the underside when you're burnishing it down, that would be better. This stuff looks like packing tape. It's a heavier weight plastic with a strong tacky adhesive, but there's no fibers in it. It's just an extruded tape. Oh, by the way, I did have help putting the frame together, but putting the roof on, I didn't have any help. I did that by myself. And here's a tip for you guys and gals. I took the roof material and I rolled it up. I had a long roll lengthwise, and then I secured it with bungee cords all down the length. And then I hoisted it up to the beam, and then I bungee corded the roll of fabric to the beam. And then once it was up there, one bungee cord at a time, I opened it up and I just let the gravity unroll the fabric down. So I had 2 rolls really. Each side was rolled up, and then they met at the center, and that's where I bungee corded it. So that when I unfastened the bungee cords, each roll just rolled down the side to the end, and that made it pretty easy. So I'm finished. It only took 2 hours. And I got each corner anchored down with some heavyweight rope. And it's anchored to pier blocks. And I guess I'm going to have to add a note sometime in the future to let you know how those patches are holding. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.